Much more there is to discover. The wonder behind such mysteries keeps astronomy exciting. Yet, while Tyson is generally optimistic, his view of a potential Pluto-Neptune collision is far more sobering. His concern about Pluto's fate, once an official planet, stems from his awareness of orbital instability. He acknowledges that Pluto has stayed safe so far, but even tiny changes accumulating over time could lead to disaster. Pluto's orbit, especially its overlapping section with Neptune, forms a fragile cosmic rhythm that may not last forever. Tyson argues that even minor shifts in Pluto's movement could lead to major consequences. Over thousands or millions of years, such disturbances could cause chaos or even a direct collision. Though this is not an immediate threat, it's a possibility unfolding on a time scale far beyond human civilization. Still, Tyson's cautious tone stresses the importance of continued vigilance and further study of Pluto's orbit. Tyson isn't alone. Michio Kaku, a world-renowned theoretical physicist, also sees the possible mayhem that might result from planetary interactions. Like Tyson, Kaku is amazed by the universe's vastness, but he also understands the fragile balance of planetary systems and the unpredictable outcomes that may arise. Both Kaku and Tyson emphasize the importance of relentless exploration into the invisible forces guiding orbital paths and the long-term futures of our solar family. In conclusion, Pluto's circumstances reflect how our knowledge of the universe is in constant motion. Each discovery opens new questions. As astronomy advances, the slight chance of a Pluto-Neptune impact serves as a humbling reminder. The universe is full of surprises, and even seemingly peaceful planetary paths can shift drastically over time. Much more there is to discover. It's the mystery behind the cosmos that keeps astronomy endlessly exciting. For scientists like Neil deGrasse Tyson, every planet, every orbit, every shadow in the sky tells a deeper story. But when it comes to Pluto, once considered the ninth planet of our solar system, Tyson's tone shifts from curiosity to concern. Why? Because of potential cosmic disaster, a collision with Neptune. Though it sounds like science fiction, the threat, however distant, is grounded in real astrophysical dynamics. Pluto's orbit is far from ordinary. It's tilted, elongated, and most notably, it crosses Neptune's path. So far, a delicate orbital dance, known as a resonance, has kept them apart. Their timing is perfect. Like celestial clockwork, they avoid each other, for now. But Tyson warns that nothing in space stays stable forever. Even the tiniest gravitational nudges, perhaps from other planets or distant objects in the Kuiper Belt, could eventually disturb Pluto's path. Over tens of thousands, even millions of years, such disturbances might lead to orbital chaos, or worse, a direct collision. While this isn't something that threatens humanity anytime soon, it does raise profound questions about the long-term fate of our solar system. Tyson urges ongoing vigilance, because even the smallest cosmic shifts can bring about monumental change. And he's not alone. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku echoes Tyson's concern. He, too, is awestruck by the vast beauty of the universe. But he understands something else. That beauty can be deceptive. The solar system is balanced on a knife's edge. Slight disruptions in orbital dynamics could send ripples across planets, moons, and entire celestial systems. That's why both Tyson and Kaku champion the relentless pursuit of knowledge. They believe in deeper exploration of the invisible forces, gravitational pulls, orbital mechanics, and the subtle physics that guide our solar family through the void. In the end, Pluto reminds us that nothing in the cosmos is truly fixed. Each discovery leads to more questions. Each mystery we uncover only deepens the wonder. And even in the vast, silent ballet of planets, danger can be hiding in plain sight. The universe is never as calm as it seems. Voiceover script. Pluto's fate, the fragile balance of space. They say the universe is a grand symphony. But can such harmony truly last forever? Neil deGrasse Tyson, the renowned astrophysicist, is often filled with awe when speaking of the cosmos. Yet, there are moments when that awe is mixed with concern. One of those moments is when he talked about Pluto. Pluto, once celebrated as the ninth planet of our solar system, has since been reclassified as a dwarf planet. But beyond its status lies something far more unsettling. Its orbit. Pluto doesn't follow a typical path. It's tilted eccentric, and most notably, it crosses paths with Neptune. For now, a cosmic rhythm keeps them from crashing into each other. A celestial timing so precise, it's like an invisible hand keeps them apart. But Tyson warns, that rhythm is delicate. All it takes is a small gravitational tug, a nudge from a distant body in the Kuiper Belt, and the harmony could begin to unravel. Not today, not tomorrow, but in the deep time of the universe, across thousands or even millions of years, Pluto's path could shift just enough, and that could lead to chaos. Perhaps even a direct collision with Neptune. It's a thought that humbles us. Because if such danger can hide in the outer edges of our solar system, what else remains unseen? Michio Kaku, a brilliant theoretical physicist, agrees. He describes the solar system as a fragile symphony, each planet a carefully tuned instrument. But if just one plays out of tune, the entire melody could collapse. This is why scientific exploration is more than curiosity. It's survival. We must continue to study the forces that hold our solar family together, the invisible threads of gravity and motion that choreograph the dance of worlds. Pluto's story is more than a scientific question. It's a reminder that beauty can be deceptive, that stillness can hide storms, and that even in the silence of space, danger is always a possibility. The universe doesn't owe us peace, only mystery.